Ever wondered how insects can be used for food production? Through biotechnology, this is possible, and black soldier fly farming is presently the most widespread form of insect farming in the world. At the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission, researchers have completed studies on this innovation, which they say will provide sustainable solutions to challenges in agriculture. Lead scientist at the Biotechnology and Nuclear Agriculture Research Institute, Dr. Selom Ofori, tells us more about this innovation and the right procedures to achieve good results.
Black soldier flies, BSF, are native to Ghana, and extensive studies carried by several institutions, including the Ghana Atomic Energy Commission, GAEC, have proven that BSF production is environmentally friendly and very economical. Due to its rapid production cycle and high concentration of protein, the BSF is ideally suited for food production. This is possible through the BSF technology. Research has shown that the black soldier fly can convert waste into high-quality nutrients for pet foods, fish, and poultry feeds, and the residue or frass used as fertilizer to enrich the soil. At the GAEC, researchers internally produce these insects. The entire life cycle of the BSF is approximately 38 days. Larvae hatch from eggs, transition through 5 larval instars, pupate, and then emerge as adult flies. During the breeding phase, also referred to as the hatchery phase, the eggs are placed in vertically racked containers filled with compost such as organic food waste. Unlike houseflies, the black soldier fly naturally lay eggs close to their food source, so providing an attractive laying location is important. Lead scientist at the Biotechnology and Nuclear Agriculture Research Institute, Binari, at GAEC, Dr. Selom Ofori, says, under controlled climate conditions, the eggs hatch very quickly into tiny BSF larvae.
The freshly hatched larvae or the neonates will be here for about 5 days before we move them onto the organic waste that we want to break down or we want them to work on.
The larvae are fed with a range of locally sourced leftover fruit rinds, vegetables, and other kitchen waste. During this phase, the temperature, humidity, and food supply are carefully controlled and optimized for growth of the larvae. The larvae rapidly consumes the organic waste for growth into an adult fly. Eventually, live black soldier fly larvae pupate into adults.
The larvae requires about 14 to 21 days to be ready. So if it is ready, you are able to harvest. The first thing to do, feed withdrawal. The feed withdrawal is you give them wheat bran, and then you allow them for about 24 hours for them to bring out their gut content. Then you now clean in water. You do bloating and then you dry. So that's how you get the protein aspect or the feed aspect. But for the frass, as soon as you move from the feed, also the substrate, you need to do what we call curing for some few days.
Researchers at GAEC have completed studies into BSF technology and are calling on farmers to patronize it. The good news is compost incorporated with BSF can be harvested in as little as 21 days. Estimates from the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO show that 1/3 of food produced for human consumption is wasted globally, amounting to an approximately 1.3 billion tons per year. Feed from insects can play a major role in making the food chain circular. And this is why the FAO has hailed the production of insect-based feed and compost as a more sustainable alternative. So Yokwo Kwakuchre, GBC News, Accra.